Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is March the 22nd. We are out here on our first of two jobs. I got my ride along here with me for day two, Chuck from South Dakota. So anyway, guys, check this out. Today's the way this client right here, actually, this is the Andersons. They actually used me exactly 4 years ago, and they said, Courtney, our floors held up so good and they're still looking good. We just want to keep them maintained. So that's the beauty of this service, guys, is keeping the floors maintained, not letting them get to the point where they have to be sanded or replaced. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is a screen and recoat. Is exactly what we did for the Andersons 4 years ago, because I remember after 3 months, Miss Anderson had us come back and do the upstairs and the stairs, and then after this we have a huge clean and buff in the Brookhaven area. Actually, her mother recommended me to her, and she bought this beautiful home that we're going to be doing today. The daughter did. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in the Beaufort, Georgia area. This is one of my favorite neighborhoods called Hedgerow. All right, and there's Chuck. Chuck is back for day two. All right, guys, so this is the Andersons. Again, I was out here 4 years ago. We did a screen and recoat, and we're gonna be doing the same thing again. And guys, you look at the floors, man. The floors are still looking good. And I remember Miss Anderson said, Courtney, whatever you put on this floor is really holding up, and they just wanna keep it maintained. So guys, looking at the floors, I wanna see, can I find that video? Because that's kind of when I start going really full time with the screen and recoat. And I never forget, they also told me too, they had someone else do it before me and they were not happy with the services. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is again, we're going to screen these floors down, recoat them, and keep some good protection on these floors for the Andersons. All right, guys, as you can see, we're getting a great abrasion. Nice. All right, guys, stay tuned. Bingo. Yep. Here you go. Here you go. That's what I guys. Okay, I'm doing the screen sand on the floor. What do you put on the floor? Which one of those? Oh, it's the same. Yeah, I think so. Yes. Yep. Miss Anderson, I was thinking about something too. Remember, so we did it 4 years ago, right?
Yeah.
You guys were so happy you had us come back and do the hallway and the stairs.
Yeah.
But I remember your wife said you guys actually had it done like 6 months or a year prior before we did it the first time.
It looked like crap.
And it looked like crap. See?
Literally put on it.
Yeah,
like crap.
man, that's what I want to hear.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for having me back, man. Going down. That means a lot. Same thing as we used last time. And Chuck is loving this 14-inch roller. Watch out for that outward channel. Yep. We always hit our head on it.
That's the beach roll.
Yep. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Floors look great. Again, this client had us do their floors 4 years ago after having another company do it. They was not happy with the services, hired me 4 years ago, and now I'm back 4 years later, and this is to keep the floors maintained. Guys, when you keep your floors maintained, you don't have to worry about sanding, replacing. I see so many floors, and I do go a little bit above and beyond, but I am not a sanding company, and I don't install floors. I maintain floors, and this is a great candidate, and this is a great example of keeping your floors maintained, guys. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna head back to the office, remove some of the equipment, and because we're gonna go do a clean and buff in the Brookhaven area. And all right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you on the next one. Beautiful. Beautiful.